How to redeem Google Play gift card from another country. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for play.google.com. Now, if the code that you have does not fit your country or region, then go ahead and sign out of your account and create a new account. And while setting the country, set the country or region to the account that fits the gift card that you have. Now, go to the Google Play Store and tap on the profile icon and further tap on the payments and subscriptions option from the drop-down menu that appears. You will then see the redeem gift code option. Tap on that and enter the gift card code and tap on redeem, and with this, the code that you entered is correct and your code will be redeemed. So, this is how you can redeem Google Play gift card from another country. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.